Alright, crew. Third time's the charm at this. It's Mosh. I'll coach you guys and girls raw. I'll only show you one, maybe blooper, but I may not because I may upload this direct. I got a surprise Bday gift from my brother over at SereneMadness. You know about Brother Paul. But he put a disclaimer on there. It's Italian. It's fragile. And he's just lucky that old Marshall here has a bunch of Italian in him because I understood it. Man, I had the Warhammer ready to go. Nice belt on my fear grinder. It didn't even... No blow torches. Do not open blow torches or hammer, machete, or grinders. Just want to tell you, my neighbor had an issue with the dang tree because of I got to use my cold steel machete to open up a blind spot. Man, well, ain't say nothing about being gentle with these. I hope you don't want your box recycled. That's how. Ooh, hey now. First and foremost, brother, it means the world to me. Thank you very much. It's like playing Jenga, I think the thing. You pull out the easiest thing, or pickup sticks. That was another one, kind of like it. I have never indulged myself with this, but when you get something that represents coffee and it says rocket fuel, gets me all perky inside. It sounded weird, but if you guys and girls been with me long enough, you know it's kind of status quo. Whew. Show, like everything else, show you guys the goods first. Oh, bro. I can't even believe you did that. Let's, I'm thinking I'm going to save the best for last here. Actually, I know I will because I'm going to save that card, which I guarantee you explains some stuff. But man. Got my dang allergies going, bro. This is... That's pretty cool, man. I was wrong. That's way more than pretty cool. But I'm not even, man, there's no possible way for me to redo this, so I gotta get my man card up here. And oh, man. God. Long sleeve, bro. No, short sleeve, excuse me. Ah, man. That right size? Sure is. That's about as, you know, that's cool, man. I like that very much. There's the back. Oh, bro, got me, something hiding. There's something hiding in here. I'll show you that. Oops. I don't think it was breakable. Another awesome t-shirt. Outstanding. Brother, thank you very much. Let's see what... I'll read it to you real quick now that you've seen it. Emergency Instant Smile Maker. For myself, Mr. Marshall. Thank you. While you're feeling down and blue, remove and put contents of bottle. Remove and put on contents of bottle. Then you look into a mirror or directly at someone. Feel free to do this as often as you like. Dr. Madness. I may have to do this a little bit later. Although I don't think feeling blues gonna matter, bro. Oh man. The best part of this, in my opinion, is right here. Because, you know, the cards are actually where you forget for the moment to be status, be normal. You get to say what you want to say in there, and all is forgiven because it's a birthday. So you get usually people's true knee-jerk reaction when it comes to birthday cards. On your birthday, remember, see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. Of course, that leaves do no evil wide open. Have a good one. And it comes from Mama Madness, Nick, thank you, or Mama Madness Lisa. You know, happy birthday from Nick and my awesome brother on this path, Paul. Team Madness. Thank you all, guys. I really loving it. I'm loving life. Thank you guys very much. For now, I want to be blessed. Man, I don't think today could get much better. How's that? Down deep, bottom of my nasty, grovelly, scar-tissued soul. Thank you all. Thank you all so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for coming along and being a part of this journey. I'm going to have, you know, Brother Paul over SereneMadness. I'm going to have his YouTube. I'll have his Facebook. I'll have his IG link. You guys, you want to meet a cool guy and someone that I personally am humbled to be on this path with. Go down. Say hi. Let them know I sent you. Don't. Just go over there and be a ghost until he pulls you in and gets the fun out of you and gets your smile on. It's my gift to you guys. Go introduce yourself and become a part of Serene Madness's life. It will make you happy. And that's what he is. He's a happy pill for me. For now, be blessed. Everyone have an excellent, excellent week. You deserve it. Weekend's almost here.